Okay, so this is Parrot X3. With a very famous design made by the French designer Philippe Stock. It's a Bluetooth headphone with active noise cancellation. So very convenient when you travel because that will reduce your surrounding noise. You can control the music with a capacitive touch panel just here. So for instance, if you want to do volume up, just slide like this, volume down. If you want to do next, previous. So you can easily control your music. There is a wireless charging just here. So if you want to reload your headphone, just put it like this. And you can also do some hands-free call. And also the new feature on the X3, it's USB audio, so you can connect directly your headphone to, for instance, your computer, and enjoy your hi-fi music quality.